Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this video, I'm going to show the festivals in August month, August 2024 in USA. August 3rd, Ashada Amavasya, and 4th also Amavasya. So, August 5th, Shravana Masam starting. So we have 4 Tuesdays in Shravana Masam, Shravana Mangalavaralu, August 5th, 12th, 19th and 26th. And Shravana Sukravaralu, Fridays on Shravana Masam, August 9th, 16th, 23rd and 30th. Second Shravana Friday, Shravana Sukravaram or Varalakshmi Puja is on 16th August. Varalakshmi Vratam. Next, August 19th, Shravana Paurnami, Rakhi Pandaga, Rakhi Festival. And 15th August, Shravana Ekadasi. 25th, August 25th, Krishnastami. These are the festival updates in August month, Shravana Masam.